Hello and welcome to 4am Art. So in this video we'll be drawing this apple in pencil and we'll go through it step by step. First thing is to draw the outline roughly. Feel free to erase as needed. And what's nice about this particular apple is there are pretty clear areas of shadow, darker tones versus light tones. So we'll go ahead and try to outline those now. We'll continue to refine our outline. And once we're pretty happy with that, with our proportions, we can start filling in some of the shading, the shadows. And don't worry about trying to make this part even at this point, because we'll be making that a little bit smoother later on. We'll start with medium tones. We could always make these darker, either by adding more layers, which is my preference, and or using more pressure on the pencil to get darker tones, as well as switching to a softer leaded pencil. To get some of the lighter tones, I'll often use my finger just to smudge. And this quickly gets me some tones, fills up the volume of the apple. You can also adjust for lighter pressure on the pencil by holding the pencil further away from the tip. Now keep the direction of your pencil lines in mind as well, because you want to pay attention to the direction of the surface. Notice especially at the top, where the surface of the apple dives down into the center of the top where the stem comes from. The direction of your pencil lines can really help out with making your drawing much more realistic. So we'll continue to add some of our lighter tones here. Try to convey the shape, the curved surfaces, especially here at the top. When you get to areas where you're pretty confident about the surface, the edges, you could always make those a little bit darker. And as we go along, we'll also add some more surface details. Just look at your reference picture. Generally, the tone is not perfectly even. And remember, this is a curved object. So a lot of the tonal values will have smooth gradations, except where there's sharp separation between shadows and highlights. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I post at least 1 or 2 videos per week on different subject matter. Once we have most of our midtones in, we can start making some of the darker shadows darker. And I'll switch over to a softer leaded pencil, either a 4B or a 6B. Or you could just use the same pencil and just keep adding layers. The more layers you add to the drawing, the darker the value will be. But generally it's easier to get even darker tones using a softer leaded pencil. Don't forget to make your gradations fairly smooth as you can. About the only thing left here is to add a little bit of shadow at the bottom, just so the apple doesn't look like it's floating. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.